There is a very popular scripture in the Bible. Money answers all things. Now, there are varied interpretations to that, so I won't belabor that matter. I just want to share with you the way I view that statement. Money answers all things. Money what? Answers. Oh, please come. Let me do an illustration now. What's your name, please? Abigail. Tonia. I'm calling Tonia. What's your answer? Tonia. She's not answering this girl. This rude girl. Why are you not answering? You see, she's not answering because I'm not calling the right name. Abigail. You see, she just answered. When I called Tonia, did she answer? Abigail. What tribe are you? Abahole. In Chebe. She can't answer because I'm speaking a language that is foreign to her. So when I called her by a different name, she didn't answer. When I spoke a language that was foreign to her, she couldn't answer. The reason why money is not coming to you is because you are speaking a language money cannot answer. But money answers anything that can call it by the right name and speak to it by the right language. So money answers. Even if it's a goat. You see, that Michael Jackson's monkey. You know, Michael Jackson used to have a monkey. Michael Jackson had a monkey. The thing that monkey eats, many of you in this room were not eating it. Because money answers all things. As long as you can call money by the right name and you can speak to money with the right language. So the problem that you are having is that you are not eloquent in the money language. Money is not tribalistic and money does not have a religion. Money is not gender sensitive. You don't need 2 legs and 2 hands to have money. Just call money by the right name. Come on, say money answers. Money answers to everything. Many of you have thought that money is the answer to everything. I don't think so. Money can't be the answer to everything. For those people that have so much money, they will tell you that money is not the answer to everything. But money answers. But you have to call it by the right name. And you have to be able to communicate the language of money. And when you do so, in whatever you are doing, whether it's ministry or business, money will answer to you.